So it's not check-out time here in Shangri-La. So yeah, it's last day here. Checking out counter. We have some juice right there. We're going to Ayala later. Have some lunch. Hey Jim.
Hey.
Carl. How's the experience here?
Good. Happy.
Happy, yeah. So instead of signing on a receipt, we signed here. It's tablet like, diba? Ganda, nakita mo? Hey guys, so just checked out around 12 noon and it's now 5:15 and about 6:30 we'll be going to the airport. So we're just chilling here. Shangri-La, Mactan. We can still stay here for the rest of the night before our flight. So yeah, just watching Walking Dead, which you can't see. You're using my iPhone. Downloaded it via torrent. Okay, bye. Hi, babe. Nasaan ka?
Sa airport.
What airport? Mactan. I'm checking in here. I have anything. Oh. Oh, we're checking in. Okay, so we're checking in here. But yeah, here, Philippine Airlines. These are the people who'll be flying with to Manila and then they're going to Heathrow. I think they were sent here. They were from Tacloban. So yeah. Okay, we're now checking in. So we have 35 kilos. We bought. Magkano yan? Okay na. Thank you. There you go. We're now entering. No more. Okay, so the guard only stamped the tickets. The boarding pass. Oo, lalagay ulit. Waiting lang just 7. What's our gate? Gate 4. Okay. So as I was saying, we only bought, magkano yan babe? 200 pesos for 15 kilograms, diba? Pero we're overweight for about 2,000 pesos for only 10 kilograms. They're asking us to pay there at the airport when we're on our way here. So yeah, we're gonna try Zubuchon later. And we're gonna have receipts first at gate number 4. So I noticed the airport's really nice now. But kind of like they renovated really. really. So we're now settled here in the gate. It's really fast because there's no problem. So yeah, I noticed this is damaged maybe because of typhoon. Oh, okay lang yan. Typhoon Yolanda. And yeah, my friend's eating Zubuchon. Okay, now boarding. So we just finished massage right there. Alright, so there we go. Boarding. Thank you. Boarding the A320 aircraft. Wait, how's the foot massage? Thumbs up, thumbs down.
Pwede na.
Pwede na.
Nakakantok.
Nakakantok, yeah.
Ginising mo ako.
Sorry, kasi magbo-boarding na. You got the Zubuchon right here and some pasalubong. Ipa-check ako nasa bag yung phone ko. Nice. This is boat. Okay. There's a plane. Tap the plane. Tap mo lang. There we go. Nice.
Next year.
After it devices. So I noticed on this flight there's no in-flight magazine, only the safety board. So that's there. I don't know if it's because of the return flight and passengers took it.
Your seatbelt securely fastened. Seat backs in upright position, window shades open, and your tray tables and footrests, if applicable, stowed.
Here. first time actually that I'm not feeling well on a flight. Maybe because we did so much this afternoon, especially this day. Especially we swam at the heat of the sun. 12 noon. Grabe. So yun. Descending now. Whoa! Grabe mga babe. Ano. So initial descent to Manila, and traffic permitting, I'll be arriving at 10:45 p.m. as per the captain. Captain ko. Okay, bye. So because I'm having headache right now, you can buy this poison. I think from Kuya Mitch if he's still selling. So this free advertisement because I'm having headache. So yeah, I'm putting it on the back of on my neck, back of my neck. Headache kicking in. I can't speak English. Oh my God. Poison from Kuya Mitch.
Air turbulence.
Air turbulence
Check that
on our final
and avoid going to the elevator at this time.
My English is not working. Please bear with me. Nice subdivisions. Ganda rin. So Johnny is laughing about my mannerism every time I wake up. I do this, I do like this. And now, at the taxi a while ago, when I woke up from a nap, I was doing that. And Janica suddenly remembered it now. She's laughing about it. Laughing so hard that she hit her head here really hard as well. So that's karma, right? Karma. Karma. Knock knock. Knock knock. Knock knock. Karma. Come me. Untog mo ulit sarili mo, ha? Untog mo ulit.
Ganon.
Nice. Busit. As in really hard, as in there's nothing in here. Ouch. You know you're gonna approach Runway 06 when you see those lights red. I think this is Shangri Island. That's Shangri Air Base somewhere there. Airport. That's the airport. Shangri Air Base.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now on our final approach, and we will be landing in a few minutes. Please check that your seatbelts are securely fastened. We will now be dimming the cabin lights.
Moa Complex at the far end. Bright lights in the big city. Bright lights in the big city. Smooth landing, please. Oh. Hard brakes. Uy, Emirates. 777.
Mga binibining at Ginoo, ilalapag lang po natin sa sa pandaigdigang paliparan ng Ninoy Aquino. Maligayang pagdating sa Maynila. Mangyari po lamang manatiling nakaupo at nakabit ang inyong mga sinturong pangkaligtasan. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. The sudden application of the brakes may cause you to fall. Do not remove your carry-on baggage from the overhead bins until the aircraft has come to a full stop.
Disembarking. Bye-bye. Thank you. Touchdown. Got our stuff, and here's my girlfriend rigging out our stuff. There you go. That's our professor right there, Mama Riola, president of Yes and Eda. Okay.